Our mission is to transform lives through workforce training and apprenticeships. So we were able to create a boot camp, which is a one-day workshop followed by a 2-week boot camp. And they're essentially learning basic hands-on skills, but also they get to explore different projects to figure out which is best for them. And then at the conclusion of it, they're going to get to guaranteed an interview with local manufacturers.
The fact that you can come in with no skills or some skills and you can hone in on them some more. So I came in with some basic skills, so it's helped me evolve some of my skills, plus put me in contact with things that I never had seen before. So I'm excited about some of the technology that it's brought to me, and then I'm super excited about the opportunities to get in front of these other companies with the possibility of starting a new career.
I think my perception of the manufacturing industry when I first started, to be honest, I think it was just like work. I seen it as work. It was a paycheck, younger. But now that I'm older, it's a life skill. I see longevity. As long as the company match me and I match the company, I see myself succeeding and going far.
I have been out on my own since I was 13. I have countless charges. I've been in and out of jail my entire life. And when I went on the tour, I was pulled to the side and told that I have a job waiting for me, that they're going to give me a second chance so I can better my life, and that's what I'm doing today. I've been clean and out of trouble from being in jail for 18 months, and I thought I was going to have to be a waitress the whole time I was going to college to try to get a career, and barely making any money, to now I might get hired somewhere, which I most likely am. That's going to help me stay out of trouble. I'm
in a homeless veteran back to work program. Being able to get in front of manufacturers, not only have they, it's almost been like a 2-week interview process, because some of them have taken the time to come in and watch us and interact with us while we've been building our many projects. To have them all in one room, 5 interviews in one day, are you kidding me? Who gets to do that? It's awesome.
Things about myself that I've discovered that I didn't think I had in the beginning is I've always been a good team player, but I've never ever taken charge and been that leader. And then in this experience, I've actually, taken charge, led some of my peers if they didn't know something, and I just took over. So it's really shown me that I can be the leader that people always told me I was, but I never thought I could be.
The staff here at the boot camp has been very supportive, very inspirational and motivating, because for some of us, we have past, and our past sometimes haunt us, and it's giving us a second chance.
Prior to coming to this boot camp, I didn't know anything about manufacturing, and I was discouraged even coming to the orientation because of my past. And to see that people, when they see that you're motivated and that you're trying to better your life, really doesn't matter what you've done in the past, it matters what you're doing today. And that's acknowledged with these companies that are coming here, and it's an amazing feeling.